how to create super realistic photos using Midjourney. I'll show you the prompt that you can use, super simple. Not only with Midjourney, you can use it with other AI art generators too. Let me show you some of the images that I generated using Midjourney using this technique. You can see this woman over here, photo of these dogs, more women here. All these wonderful images are being created by Midjourney with simplistic prompts. If you know how to operate a camera, that's even better. You know, when an image generator AI, such as Midjourney, is trained with the images, whoever is training the AI has to give the description of the images, what camera it has been shot on, what is the depth of field, what is the shutter speed, what kind of exposure levels it has, and the foreground, the background, distance from the subject, etc., so that the AI can understand what's in the image, so that it knows what to generate when another prompt similar to the described image is given. So keep that in mind. What would a person who's training the AI would describe the images as? Simply by just adding a camera make in the prompt creates a whole lot of difference. For example, take a look at these images that I created using Midjourney, using the prompt a woman walking. Now that's not photorealistic, that doesn't look like a photo, but just simply by adding Canon R5 into the prompt right here, it made the photo look more realistic, but also it has faults. Midjourney also seems to think that the photo of the camera itself need to be in the image generated. So solution for that is a better prompt shot on Canon R5 here. If you know how to operate a camera, you can actually say a woman looking at the camera close up, the distance, shot on A7R, Sony A7R, and then London skyline in the background, and the aspect ratio, portrait aspect ratio 3:4. And then you get these images here. These are pretty realistic, I would say. Really nice. And if you want, you can even give what kind of lens that you use to capture these images. So for example, a photo of a woman on a bridge close-up, Sony a7S III, shutter speed 1/60, f1.8 is the aperture, and shot on a 50mm lens, aspect ratio again in portrait mode, 3:4. And that creates these images, wonderful images, very realistic. If you're a photographer but you don't want to leave the comforts of your bedroom, you can use this kind of AI generated art to create stock photos. It will generate images similar to the ones that your camera produces, maybe even listed on Shutterstock or similar stock photo apps where you can sell your photos. Pretty impressive, huh? So that's basically it. You can use this kind of prompts not only in Midjourney. Another great alternative to Midjourney is Blue Willow. This is one of the similar prompts that I used with Blue Willow. This is also pretty realistic. Look at these photos. Some of the images that Blue Willow generates are slightly better than at times than Midjourney. So Midjourney has some serious competition. This one is free. Midjourney, you have to subscribe, pay a monthly fee, which is not cheap at all. But this one is actually pretty nice. Look at these images. Very good. Even the lighting and the shading, everything is taken care of. Maybe not accurate because it's an outside photo, but it looks like studio lighting in this case. So that's how you create realistic photos, images in Midjourney or in any other similar AI art generators. If you like this video, you might like this video here.